In this video, I will show you how you can use Pinterest catalogs to showcase your products. First, launch open the Pinterest app. Now, to use Pinterest catalogs, you'll need a Pinterest business account. If you're using a personal account, go to your profile, then tap on the three dots. Here, tap on settings. Now tap on account management. You will find the option of convert to business account over here. Since I have a business account already, it says personal account, but you can simply tap on it and convert it to a business account. Next, claim your website in the Pinterest settings. This helps Pinterest verify that you own your online store. After that, install the Pinterest tag on your e-commerce website. By doing this, you can track conversion and improve your product performance. Make sure your website includes important business information such as your shipping policy, return policy, and contact details. Now connect your product catalog. If you use an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or another supported platform, install the official Pinterest integration or app from your platform's marketplace. Sign in with your Pinterest business account and follow the setup instructions to connect your store. Your product catalog will then sync automatically, including product titles, images, prices, availability, and other details. Once your catalog is approved, Pinterest can create product pins that automatically update when your inventory or pricing changes, making it easy for shoppers to discover your product. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.